and let me know he's going to the grocery store. So this is me. I came home from work, changed into my white men's t-shirt that I use for most of my cleaning projects, and doing a quick refrigerator clean out. You're going to see here that I'm quickly trying to empty the fridge so I can give it a good wipe down, and I'm pulling out bins. I know bins are really popular right now. I really like them in my fridge. I think it helps me keep things organized and more easily viewed. I have a daughter who's vegan, so I try to keep her things a little bit separate so that there's less clutter in the fridge, if you will. Those are green onions that I just pulled out. They're in a bottle of water. That actually keeps them fresh longer. I don't know if you all knew that. That's a new trick I learned that actually my vegan daughter taught me. So here I am just cleaning things out. And as I'm doing so, I'm trying to put them in categories. That's me, frustrated, because those are 2 half-empty drinks that my daughter has left in there forever. But anyway, as I'm taking stuff out, I'm putting them in categories and looking at dates. So I'm getting rid of some items at the same time. You know, multitasking, ladies, multitasking. I don't know about you, but every time I go to pull stuff out of the fridge, I'm like, okay, how long has this been in here? And what is it? So it's a really good idea, and as I'm sure we all know, to go through our fridge every week or so, because there's bound to be something that a family member has left that we have no clue as to what it even is anymore. The other thing I found in here is a bunch of packets. I don't know if your family does that, but when they go out to eat, they'll bring home sauce packets or cheese packets or something like that, and then they just kind of throw them willy-nilly into the fridge and kind of creates a mess and disorganized look. So I pulled out all the packets. I didn't throw them away, much to my son's happiness, because he was very concerned I was going to do that. But I gathered them all together and just put them in a Ziploc bag so that they're all nice and neat in one little contained area. Struggling to get the drawer out. It's a new fridge and I don't know how to get it out, and I'm worried that I'm going to break it. So you'll see here I just end up taking the whole drawer and the shelving unit out to wash thoroughly. So here I am with a little splash of bleach, just a little bit, and on dish soap, washing down the drawers and the shelves, the removable shelves in the fridge. I just want to start it out fresh and clean before I put the groceries back and the new groceries that are coming in into the fridge. And as I'm washing this drawer unit down, I am still trying to figure out how to get the drawer separate from the shelf. Not yet. I still don't get it. Maybe it just doesn't come separate. I don't know. Ladies, I don't know about you, but sometimes I feel like a good cleaning, a good scrubbing is really as good as a good workout. No gym needed. I'm reviewing this as I'm doing my voiceover and didn't even realize how much my booty was shaking. Like I said, no gym needed. It's so funny to me, every time I clean out the fridge, every single time I'll find half empty soda cans or food that was put away that really should have just been thrown away. Do you all find that too? And here I go again. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Okay, sorry for the crazy wiggling screen there, but I wanted to bring you guys closer so you could see all the dirt and debris that got in that drawer just over time. But don't worry, I've got a cure for that. As you will see here, I'm gonna grab my handy dandy little cordless vacuum cleaner and get that stuff right up. I love this thing. I think it's the Dyson Animal. I have, I always say I have 3 littles and a big, so I have 4 dogs, and I'm using this thing daily, and I tell you, I'm still finding more and more uses for it. It is a godsend. Okay, now that the main fridge is all cleaned out, time to put stuff back. Didn't think you needed to see me put every little thing back, so jumped forward just a little bit for you. Okay, what I'm about to show you is something that I picked up at one of those outdoor fairs. It's this wonderful stuff that you blend with wine to make wine slushies. Girls, if you have not tried a wine slushie, you have not lived. So now that I've cleaned it all out, I have been integrating things back into the fridge, trying to put them back in so that they're user-friendly, if you will, easily reached, and we're not having to move everything out of the way to get something that we're gonna need to frequently pull out, such as the milk or the juice, that type of thing. I think we all do that when we're putting our grocery products away. We're trying to put it away so that we have to move as least amount of product as possible to get to what we want. There it is, all clean and organized. Brand new fridge. Love it. Fully stocked, clean, neat, and organized. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. Take care.